The defeated candidate in the Portland Eastern by-election, the PNP's Damian Crawford, says he will remain as caretaker for the constituency to contest the next general election. Mr. Crawford made the announcement as he thanked party workers at last night at Port Antonio High School. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm reports.
Defeated by over 300 votes by the JLP's Anne-Marie Vaz, many were wondering what would be the next move by the PNP's Damian Crawford. On Thursday night, the answer.
When they ask you what I'm going to do, Damian Crawford stays. And I'm staying because there is something about the people here, even the ones that are laborites, that you can't do without enjoying and loving.
Since Mr. Crawford will stay on as caretaker, he urged the supporters to volunteer to make his vision a reality. For example, the Mommy and Me classes and Veranda Basic to teach children and parents.
For the next 2 weekends, I will be teaching CXC mathematics to anyone interested in East Portland that have exams to go. And as a working group, we should put our own money and get our own vote and prove to them that independence is the only escape from poverty.
Mr. Crawford also pointed to major accomplishments by his party over the years, such as the right to vote, maternity leave, and road infrastructure. He says he's committed to fixing the constituency one community at a time.
I will mix cement until I learn to lay block. And I will lay block until I learn to bend steel. And I will bend steel until I learn to lay pipe. But when it is finished, we will all be better for helping our community. They will not be able to say in the general that I don't know Portland.
And so Mr. Crawford again thanked supporters while urging them to up the ante for the next general election.
Only one thing will change for the next election. So take down all the boards for me and put them up. We're not spending no money on boards. The boards will be the same. The song will be the same. The candidate will be the same. The only thing that will change is the outcome, because the victory will be ours.
Loyal, faithful, true to hip hip.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.